Hello YouTube, it's me again, and today we got a little riddle for you. What is it? Yes, it's MagicHour. MagicHour is an image to video tool or video to video, face swap, lip sync and so much more. Let's go in. So first go on magichour.ai and here you have an overview about the tool. If you scroll down a bit, you see the possibilities with the tool. Like some viral spot clips are possible, music videos or marketing clips and so much more. If you scroll down a bit, you see the different features of the tool like face swap, image to video, lip sync, and even templates are available like the Black Panther style or the Flash style for your video generation. So first we try the image to video generation feature. We click on products and image to video. On this page you scroll down a bit and click on create an image to video project. Here you have an overview what is possible in this feature. So I uploaded a picture. You can enter a prompt. It's optional what the video should be. We type a girl standing in a snowstorm looking straight into the camera. Here we can choose the duration and if it should be high quality or not. We take that, we'll let it at 5 seconds and render the video. We speed up this process a bit. So here we have the result. Let's look at it. Yes, no deformation, high quality, awesome. Here we have some details of the generation like the length or the resolution. Let's look at another feature. We try the video to video feature. So we upload our video from before. After the upload, we can adjust some settings like the length of the video or advanced setting like when the video should start or the resolution. And on the next step, we can choose the style. Let's try the comic style. Here we have a prompt about the template we have used. It's described as a prompt. And here we can use the different versions in MagicHour like the V1 or V2. We'll let the V2 selected. And here you can choose a model. Currently it's just Dream Shaper, but that's fine. And so we render the video and speed up the process. Let's look at the result of the comic template. It's pretty nice, comic style, no deformation. Awesome! Next we try the lip sync feature. We upload a video. I took a man just looking in the camera. Here we have the advanced settings again. Next step, we upload an audio of me. Let's hear it. I'm a grown man with no hairs. And let's render. And here we have the result. It's pretty nice. Let's look at it. I'm a grown man with no hairs. He did exactly that what we wanted, a lip sync. There is also an image generator, let's try it. A penguin on an ice. Generate, speed up. And here we have the result. It just took 10 seconds and it's realistic. It's exactly that what we wanted. Awesome. So what we try next, we try the face swap video feature. We click on it, upload a video. We take the bald man again. Next step, we upload a face. I took this grandpa, let's render. So the changes are minimal. I put the videos side by side and as you can see, it's a bit of a change, not much, but it's okay. To the pricing and plans, on the free subscription you have some seconds to generate videos, you have a limited resolution outcome and some limited features. On the creator or pro membership you get all features which are available in MagicHour and you get higher resolution outputs, more minutes for the video generation. On the Pro it's 69 minutes for example, and if you're doing that like commercial or for your business, there is a business membership with like 5 hours of video generation, 4K resolution and all features which are on the previous one also. So that was MagicHour. If you like it, try it and see you in the next one.